Welcome back to another video. So today's video is a set that I did for a Charlie's Nail Art collab. The theme for this one was unicorns. So I'm using these two pinks from Azure. Loads of colours. A purple, another pink and a blue from Yayogi. What else have we got? A yellow from Acre and I've got a black from Model Ones. So I'm just going to quickly give these nails a base coat, get that cured for 30 seconds, then we'll get on with it. Right, I'm going to start with the pinky and the middle finger there, having a coat of black because I want to cover them in silver chrome powder, and you need a black base for a chrome powder, so I'll get that cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to give it a no wipe top coat, and I'm just going to slightly under cure the no wipe top coat so I can get that chrome powder rubbed into it. Right, that's my chrome powder on. I'm just top coating them chrome powder nails, just get them sealed in so I don't wipe any of it off. Right, I've put all my colours on my palette. On these chrome nails I'm going to paint a rainbow, I'm going to paint some clouds and a couple of stars as well. I'm going to flash cure each colour just for about 10 seconds. Just so it stays where it is, or if I make a mistake I don't have to wipe it all off. Just give the nails a quick top coat over that rainbow because I wanted to paint these clouds and stars, and obviously where I painted the rainbow was a bit lumpy bumpy, so I've just top coated that rainbow and give it a file and a buff just to give myself a flat surface again to do the clouds and the stars.
The truth will break your chains, we have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers.
Right, moving on to these other two nails now. I want to do a pink and a white ombre. I don't quite want it half and half. I want the white about 3/4 of the way up, and then pink on the bottom. And then I'm just going to use my detailer brush, and as always I'll just keep swiping it side to side, and just blend the colours the best I can.
Everything you're fighting for.
Right, this is what I'm going to be putting over my ombre nails. It's from Model 1's, it's called Ice Bar. And it's very transparent, but it's got a slight pink tone to it. Only slight. And it's got gorgeous little bits of iridescent glitter in there. So I'm just going to cover these ombre nails with this glitter topper. It's so pretty. It is, I love it. Right, and then I'm going to get that cured in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, now I'm just using some black gel paint and I'm just painting a little unicorn. Right, what I've decided to do is I'm using some of these dried flowers from Charlie's Nail Art, and I want to put them like, I want it to look like the unicorn's got a flowery hat or a flowery headband, I don't know, or flowers in its hair, I don't know. But I've stuck a little gem there, and I'm just going to surround that gem with all different colour little bits of these fiddly little dry flowers. What I'm going to do with these flowers as well is I'm going to top coat over them just to encapsulate them. Because obviously if they're on your natural nails, they're just going to flick off or catch on things. So yeah, I decided to encapsulate them. Right, that's my unicorn encapsulated, filed and buffed. So I'm just going to get these nails finished now, give them a top coat, and I'm going to put a little bit of bling on that pointer finger as well, and that'll be then finished. Okie dokie, that's them finished. What do you think? I love them chrome nails with the rainbow on. I love them. I love the unicorn as well, actually. But I do love them rainbow nails on the with the chrome background. I do. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, bye.